After
Guys,
investigating
I found
further,
her.
I believe this is actually a
She's
female
right
golden
there.
eagle.
Look at how gorgeous she is. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such rare footage. You see her? Look at her, just blending in with the bush. Like, if I didn't have a good keen eyesight, I mean, you know, being extra observant like I am. Wow. You see her? Hold on real quick, guys. She is massive, guys. Hold on. Come here. Oh, honey, you are beautiful. Okay, sorry, guys. Kind of hard to, Yep, that's her. Hold on. Right there, you see her, guys? I'm gonna try and zoom in a little more. It's a really foggy day out and it's humid and, yep. Wow. She is gorgeous. Man. She sees me. She knows I'm not gonna hurt her. Hi, honey.
Fun fact, there are only two breeds of eagles migrated to the Kansas City region, bald eagles and golden eagles.
There she is. I found her. Look at her size. I mean, guys, I don't know if I can explain, like, I don't know how I can explain this, like, you know, thorough all the way through, but like, massive, okay? A video and a picture can only, you know, tell so much until you're actually in their presence, you know what I mean? Looking at them in person, dude. It is amazing. Seeing them in person and seeing them like in pictures, yeah, it's totally different. I mean, perception, of course, but like, just look at her, guys. Hi, honey. You're gorgeous. Yeah. Hi. Wow. Here I was thinking I wasn't gonna find her. I seen it, she flew off, and man, get through all of this to get over here. Mind you, I'm in my inflatable kayak, so one wrong turn and pshoo, pop. Ooh, but we made it through the booby traps here in Neverland, baby. I mean, look at all this. It was meant to be. All these, and there's so many logs underneath the water that you can't see that are just, you know, ready to turn into like an iceberg from the scene on Titanic, and then, well, I'm flying home instead of paddling. Yep, she's up there. Alright, man, hang loose, y'all. There she goes. There she goes. She's beautiful.